Mad City Money is the hands-on simulation that teaches financial education in a real-world scenario. Student participants are transported into the future and are now playing the role of adults. They are paired up like a real couple. They have careers and salaries, student loans, credit card debt, insurance payments, and a child. The participants will need to shop at 10 different real-world merchants to buy food, a house, a car, childcare needs, vacations, entertainment, and more. Now, it's much more than just shopping. These merchants treat participants like real adults. They offer expensive options and always try to get the most from every sale. Things can get a little crazy as the participants face pushy salespeople and all kinds of temptations to spend money. But they must maintain a budget throughout the event. They will learn to write checks, use a debit card, balance their accounts, and most importantly, they will learn valuable financial skills that will help them in the real world. See a Mad City Money event in action and find out why this simulation is truly unique and how successful it has been in teaching financial education.